What if your body started dancing and refused to stop, even as it killed you? In the summer of 1518 in Strasbourg, a woman stepped into the street and began to dance. No music, no celebration. She danced for hours, then days. Soon, dozens joined her, then hundreds. People collapsed from exhaustion. Some suffered heart attacks, others died on the spot. Authorities panicked, but instead of stopping it, they made it worse. They built dance halls, hired musicians, believing the cure was more dancing. It wasn't. Victims screamed in pain while their feet moved against their will. Priests blamed demons. Doctors blamed hot blood. Historians still argue today. Mass hysteria? Poisoned bread? A curse triggered by starvation and fear? The plague stopped as suddenly as it began. No explanation, no warning. They didn't dance for joy. Their bodies betrayed them to death. So what do you think caused it? Mass hysteria, poison, or curse? Comment your answer, because history's strangest epidemics didn't spread by touch, they spread by fear.